Alright, what's going on everybody? My name is Antonio, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an RGB UI stroke. Now, we're going to just want to start with having a screen GUI or a shop frame, anything that you're obviously going to use the UI stroke on. So real quickly, I'm going to throw mine together. It does not have to look pretty in my case just because I'm not really trying to look pretty. Okay, we're gonna go with that. I just drag it a little more down here, and then I'm gonna change the color. Okay, now I've got my UI, my stroke. We're gonna change the thickness to 6, just so we can see it. You know, obviously we can do 1, but 6 will look better. Alright, now that we have our UI stroke, inside of the UI stroke, I'm going to place a script. Now I'm gonna call this script UI RGB, just like that. Now inside this script, we're going to turn the UI RGB instead of, in our case, black. Alright, so now the first thing that we're going to want to do is call the actual stroke into the script. So we're going to say local stroke equals script dot parent. Just like that, as easy it is. Now we're going to call the hue and we're going to set it to red. We're going to say, well, true do, and then we're going to say, not that, hue equals hue plus 1. Then we're going to say percent 360. So when it gets back to 3, when it hits 360, it'll loop back to 1. Then we're going to say stroke dot color equals color 3 from HSV. Then we'll say 360. 1. My bad, my apologies. We're going to say hue slash 360-1. We're going to say wait, and we're going to give it just a very, very slow or fast, I meant time. And that is basically going to be our UI RGB stroke. So let's say, you know, this was our shop menu and we have all of our things here. And let's say we popped our shop open. Our shop now is RGB.